sorry. Hello students, now we have to solve this question. In this question given that a block of mass m on horizontal turntable and it is at x distance from the center and friction coefficient of this block is how much? Mu, right? And we have to find out maximum angular speed so that table can turn and this block does not slip in any direction, right? So for that purpose we need to check free body diagram of this block. And now suppose we are observing this motion while sitting on this table. So which force will work on this object M? A centrifugal force, right? And centrifugal force is how much? mv square by r, or also v we can write what? R omega. So it will become m r square omega square by r. This will get cancelled out and centrifugal force we will get mr omega square, right? Now for this block r will be what? X. So this centrifugal force in terms of angular speed will be m x omega square, right? And this centrifugal force will be balanced by which force? Frictional force. And this frictional force will be how much? mg into mu. And now the maximum angular speed, in which case we can apply, in that case the maximum centrifugal force will be equal to limiting friction, right? So for that purpose we can now equate this limiting friction force is equal to maximum centrifugal force. So mg into mu is equal to mx omega square. So now this m will get cancelled out. So from here we will get omega square is equal to mu g by x, and omega will be mu g under root by under root x. So omega will be mu g by x under root. Clear? So with this angular speed, if the table will rotate, this block will not slip in any direction, right? Thank you.